Welcome to QuarsiTube. I want to show you what you can do with QuarsiTube in this quick demo. The big idea is that QuarsiTube allows you to upload videos to your YouTube channel and also track them and encourage people with auto replies to create more traffic and profits. The first thing you do is click on Google Apps Settings to get your YouTube account connected to QuarsiTube. Then, once you've connected QuarsiTube, you import your channels. Here's a channel we already have imported. You can create your own videos or use this video archive of hundreds of videos that you can download, which you can then upload to your channel. This way you can create content and traffic. Which brings us to our channel manager. In our channel manager, we can set up campaigns for likes and comments and how you want the app to automatically respond to them. You can set up a subscription campaign, work with your video manager and your playlist manager here too. Right here is where you upload a video. I'm going to show you how to do that. First, click on Actions under Upload Video. Here you can see the channel we have already connected. We're going to choose this channel. I'm going to create a new upload for our YouTube channel here. It's called Animals, and it's got animals in it. And our tags are going to be animals. Our category is going to be pets and animals. We're going to set the video to public. We're going to go next to our time zone. Then we're going to set our time that we want it to appear on our channel. You can set up an entire campaign of videos to drop at whatever time you want people to see them. Pretty powerful, huh? We're going to set the schedule for tomorrow. We're going to then upload, and we're going to choose our animals video here, and then it quickly uploads and is processed on the server. Then we click Create Campaign. Success! So this will post at the time we have selected here, and you can see other videos we have posted here. You can manage your templates here that allow you to auto reply to people and add auto comments on videos as well. You can set up Keyword Finder, which is nice. You grab the video ID of a successful video in your niche, and then it'll show you what the keywords are that people are using to get traffic. Then you can also use those. You can also set up full auto-reply campaigns here. QuarsiTube allows you to upload and manage an entire YouTube channel, using that to generate new leads and potential profits.
You are moments away from getting your hands on a brand new, never-before-seen automated YouTube traffic application that enables you to drive unlimited leads and traffic to any offer in less than 2 minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. What's more, this app enables you to grab your share of YouTube's 2.3 billion monthly users without ever having to create or rank a video. So you can live the laptop lifestyle that you always dreamed about. If that sounds exciting, pay close attention. For the past 18 months, I've had my team of developers working on a revolutionary app that automates my entire YouTube marketing strategy, enabling me to scale up my affiliate marketing business in just 3 clicks. Introducing QuarsiTube. With this revolutionary app, all it takes is 3 clicks to drive traffic to any offer or website. That could be an affiliate offer, CPA offer, landing page, coaching offer, e-commerce store, freelance portfolio or any other website. So you can generate traffic, commissions, leads or an audience faster than ever before. Here's how it works. Click 1. Invest. Grab a copy of this revolutionary app before the price increases and log in. Click 2. Activate. Enter a keyword or channel and let the application's marketing automation take over. Click 3. Relax. Click Go. Now you can sit back and relax and the app sends high-quality free traffic your way. The entire process takes less than 2 minutes and delivers results like this. To ensure QuarsiTube was beginner-friendly enough to bring to market, we hired a group of 50 totally inexperienced beginners to test the software, and their results proved that anyone could succeed with QuarsiTube, regardless of their age, regardless of their experience, without any technical knowledge, without any money to spend. If this group of wet around the ears newbies can achieve results like this, so can you. So you're probably thinking an application with the ability to turn your computer into a virtual ATM must be pretty expensive, right? Wrong. I know I could charge hundreds of dollars per month for access to QuarsiTube. After all, if you purchase traffic from sources like Google Ads, Facebook, and Bing, you'd be paying upwards of $1, $5 plus per click. But my intention was never to create QuarsiTube to sell. I created QuarsiTube for myself and launched it to the public to help struggling marketers. Because I was once a struggling marketer myself. So I'm not going to charge you hundreds of dollars per month to access this life-changing application. Not $97 per month. Not $47 per month. Not even $27 per month. In fact, during the launch phase of QuarsiTube, I'm not going to charge a subscription at all. That's right, if you take action today, you can access QuarsiTube for a single one-time only investment. With the price starting at less than the cost of taking your family for dinner at McDonald's. What's the catch? I hear you ask. It's simple. This offer is not going to last for long. Firstly, the price is rising every hour. Secondly, I will be reverting back to a monthly subscription very soon. So you need to act right now to lock in your access to QuarsiTube at the incredibly low one-time only price listed on this page. In addition, if you act today, I'm also including the world-class bonuses listed on this page for free. And my 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no financial risk for you. This really is the definition of a no-brainer investment. Hit the buy button on this page to lock in your discount and get instant access to QuarsiTube. See you on the inside.